Hello, front class of 2023. Today I'm going to go through and walk you through the steps for PowerScheduler, and hopefully you have everything written down on your paper that you have your parents signed off on as well, so then everything should go pretty smoothly. First thing you're going to do is log into PowerSchool, and then you will go over to class registration. This section right here will bring you to a screen that looks similar to mine. We have, this is kind of a generic account, so it might look a little bit different. So incoming freshmen will take freshman 1, biology 1, and world history. Those are already taken care of. You will then need to click on over here to the right where it has the paper and pencil. You'll click on your math. So you will either take one of these 3 math classes. This account that is associated with me shows that I have not met the prereqs for Algebra 2. So that is not going to be an option at this point in time right now for me. So if that is what you are recommended for, then you'll go ahead and select that, or Algebra 1 or Basic Algebra. And then OK. Science will be Biology 1. World History will be there. Then you'll go to Electives. From this section, you will be able to select any electives that you are interested in and that you have. You can work, toggle down at the bottom screen. They are in alphabetical order. So all of those will go right through there. And then you'll make your selections and OK. PE and health should be on here as well. So I will get that updated. And you should already have PE and health. So you will have everything taken care of. I didn't make a selection. I'm sorry. You'll have everything taken care of, and you'll have all of your selections made as far as what classes that you want to go into. And okay. Then down here at the bottom, see how it says requires between 7 and 10 credit hours, requesting 6. So I'm only requesting 6, and we have 8 hours during the day, so that's not enough. You're going to go ahead and make sure you have your selections, and you're going to go over 8. You're going to go on up to that 10 section, because then I will utilize your piece of paper with your parent's signature on it in order to look at how you have ranked those, and then we'll get that correct. So you may go ahead at this time, once you are completely finished, down here at the bottom there will be a button that says submit. So you will submit your course selections, and then it will be sent to me. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will add in that PE and health. Thank you so much.